Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is June the 22nd and I'm using my new PIP trigger trading system. This one uses the Hull moving average and another moving average, and of course there's other indicators on the top, and on the bottom we have oscillators and momentum indicators. And when you put everything together, it's a very powerful system. So remember, you have to have a pretty good system to succeed at trading. And you need a lot of chart time. You need a lot of demo trading. You need a lot of education. I can provide a lot of education. And don't forget, you need a daily trade plan. And of course, what makes this PIP trigger, at least for me in real time, as a matter of fact, any system that I'm trading with, I automatically apply the super signal indicator. That's these blue and red arrows. It's called the super signal indicator, and it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the market, especially on the 5-minute time frame. Now here is the daily trade plan EA running in real time. And of course an hour or two ago it was a little bit different. And of course that is where I took all my trades from, directly from the daily trade plan here. It really helps me to pick which way I should be going. It doesn't guarantee you'll get hundreds of pips and ticks, but it'll point you in the correct direction. And since I am a day trader, in other words, I take the trade, couple of hours, few hours, I'm in, I'm out, and I'm done trading for the day. So it is preset for day trading. You can easily change it if you are a swing trader or a position trader. If you are trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's a good reason why you are not succeeding. You must have some kind of a daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions, just Skype me. Now we can take a look at some of these trades I've taken. First trade I did was the Dow Jones. Let's see where I got in at. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Got in at this point. And I closed it out here. If I would have stayed in longer, I probably would have made twice as much. But anyhow, when I close out the trades all around the same time, which happens to be approximately 10 o'clock in the morning, when I closed it out, it was telling me that I was well above the 200 ticks that is my daily goal. So I got in at this point. Entered here at this cursor, closed it out here. And just to let you know, it pays $5 for each tick. So I took the money, divided by 5, and calculator says it's 30. So there's the 30 ticks, and that paid out $150. Next trade, S&P 500, it's exactly the same. Pays $5 for each tick. So I took the money and divided by 5, and the calculator says it should be 72. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Got in at this cursor, closed it out here. And let's see what I ended up with. Like I said, the calculator says it should be 72. There it is right there. Actually, it's exactly right, 72.4. And those 72 ticks paid out $362. Moving right along to the next trade, which is gold. This one pays $10 for each tick. So on this gold, let's see where I got in at. I sold it. There's the white arrow that I manually put in according to my daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade, as I teach within the training videos. Now looking at the money, don't need a calculator for this. Since it's $10 for each tick, it should be 56.9. So it's so close to 57, so we'll just round it out to 57. So let's see if I can find that 57 right here. 57. That's close enough. 57 ticks. And that paid out $569. Moving to the next trade, crude oil, another one that pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, well, this should be 86 ticks. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Here we go. Looking, I knew with 95% certainty I had a winner. So from this point where I got in to where I closed it out should be 86. There it is right there, 86 ticks, and that paid out $860. Same story for the Russell, as it pays $10 for each tick. This should be 117. Okay, let's on this Russell drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Went sideways for a while until it finally dropped. This happened to be the opening bell, 9:30 a.m. New York time. So I pulled the trigger here and I closed it out. And what did I say? About 117. There it is right there, close enough. 117, and that paid out $1,170. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. We'll drag this up and see where I got in at. If I'm still in the trade, I'd be making about 30% more. Just guessing, of course. So I took the money, divided it by $20. That's what it pays, $20 for each tick. Calculator says it's 88. So from here to about here should be around 88. There it is right there. You remove the last two digits, so it's 88 ticks, and that paid out $1,174. So another great day of trading using my PIP trigger. I added up all the, they were all ticks today. Could have traded a lot more according to my daily trade plan. But I know that once I trade these indices, futures, I know that I'm going to get well over 200 ticks for sure. So I added up everything, and I ended up with a grand total of 450 ticks, and that ended up paying out $4,885. So if your system's not producing on a daily basis like my PIP trigger, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. This is something that you have to have. Remember, if you want to make 10 times more money than doctors and lawyers, well, you're going to need the exact same thing as what doctors and lawyers need to succeed. You know, a lot of time, a lot of education. And believe me, it's going to run you more than a $250 by the time you find success. Anyhow, if you are interested in anything, well, all you got to do is get in contact with me. Now, if you look right below this video, you will get lots of information. So as I mentioned, if you look right below the video, this video was from my last trade yesterday. But anyhow, just look right below it. You'll see this button that says show more. All you're going to do is click on it. Opens up all this information. And it's very important. I'd rather talk live. And we can talk live after you click on this button. Even if you think you don't have Skype, whether it's a computer or your cell phone, tablet, whatever you have, you click on this. We'll have a connection, and through Skype, I can answer your questions. And as I mentioned earlier, there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You have to get all of these in proper order and plenty of it. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Scrolling further down, you'll see the packages. 4 packages. I do charge $250 for each one. I have a special offer. If you buy 2, I'll give you 1 for free. Package number 1, PIP trigger. Please keep in mind it does not include the super signal indicator. It has 22 training videos. Now, I got the super signal indicator 4 months after I put this package together. So that is in a package called the Easy Trader, which is a good system by itself. And in package number 2 here, How I Trade Live, Advanced Trading Tips, 20 videos. These videos, package 1 and 2, are up to or hovering around 30 minutes long each. Some a little more, some a little less. Now my daily trade plan, that's the EA I was mentioning that you really should have. Package 3 and 4, the Easy Trader, it comes with 4 training videos each package. So if you're scrolling down, if you want to know what I'm teaching in each package, here it is right here. I go into detail each and every one of these subjects, which is things that you have to learn. How I Trade Live, again, 20 videos here, same thing. I show you all the steps I go through as I'm trading, starting with my daily trade plan EA. And then of course I have the daily, this is the expert advisor, and then of course the super signal indicator within the Easy Trader system. So if you're interested, or if you just have a question, simple, click on this get in contact with me, and as I mentioned before, I prefer Skype, or you can pick up the phone, call me. Lots of traders actually call me directly. In all the years that I've been trading, it's virtually, or it's very, very difficult to actually pick up the phone and talk to the trader, because they don't want to talk to traders, and I don't mind. You know, I like talking to traders. Anyhow, you can call me, you can email me. I'm in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. Please note that once you have the information, I cannot take it back, as you already have it, and so in other words, there's no refunds. So just about time to wrap up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.